Welcome. In this e-learning module, I shall demonstrate and make you understand how to create the punch assembly and the press tool assembly using CATIA V5. This is also the recommended product structure for press tools. What you are seeing on the screen is the recommended product structure for press tool design in CATIA V5. We have the press tool assembly at the top of the product structure. We have the die assembly and the punch assembly below the press tool assembly. All the parts of the die assembly will be assembled inside the die assembly. All the parts of the punch assembly will be assembled inside the punch assembly. This is similar to the practical way of assembling the press tool in the tool room or any tool manufacturing company. The punch assembly and the die assembly shall be assembled separately. Then they will be assembled to make the press tool assembly. Now let me demonstrate how to create this product structure in CATIA V5. As you are aware, we have already created the die assembly and the punch. Now let's create the punch assembly. Create a new product file. Click on the existing component command. Pick the product 2, which is the punch assembly. Pick the blanking punch from the file selection window. Apply a fixed constraint to the punch. Save this product file as the punch assembly. Now let's create the press tool assembly. Create a new product file. Save this product file as the press tool assembly. Click on the existing component command. Pick the product 3, which is the press tool assembly. Pick the die assembly from the file selection window. Apply a fixed constraint to the die assembly. Now let's assemble the punch assembly. Click on the existing component command. Pick the product 3, which is the press tool assembly. Pick the punch assembly from the file selection window. Provide a coincidence constraint between the die plate's front YZ plane and the punch's front YZ plane. Provide a coincidence constraint between the side ZX plane of punch and the die plate's side ZX plane. Use the manipulation command and drag the punch. Provide a distance constraint between the punch's bottom surface and the top surface of the die plate. Update the offset value as -1 mm. -1 mm is the punch entry into the die plate. The punch entry ensures the strip will be positively sheared. Update the assembly. Let's check the punch entry using the sectioning command. Click on the sectioning command. Click on the Results tab and then pick the volume cut. Observe the punch entry of 1 mm into the die plate. Click on Cancel to exit the sectioning command. Set the view to isometric and fit all in. Save the press tool assembly. Right-click on the product 1, select Properties. Enter the part number as die assembly. Pick OK. Right-click on the product 2, select Properties. Enter the part number as punch assembly. Pick OK. Right-click on the product 3, select Properties. Enter the part number as press tool assembly. Pick OK. Save the press tool assembly. Swap the window to the die assembly. Observe all the parts of the die assembly are present. Swap the window to the punch assembly. Observe the punches present in the punch assembly. We will insert all other parts of the punch assembly into this product file in the next few lessons. Swap the window to the press tool assembly. Observe the product structure of the press tool assembly. The die assembly and the punch assembly are present in this product file, the recommended product structure. With this, we have successfully created the punch assembly and the press tool assembly using CATIA V5. That's all in this e-learning module. Thanks.